से तो कॉल मैं एडिट कर सकती हूँ. Hello Anju ma'am. Hello Tamanna ji. Am I audible? Am I audible ma'am? Anju ma'am, am I audible? Okay. Good afternoon to all the viewers who are a part of this live session. My name is Ruhi Buddhiraja. I run my own brand RS Creators, which is of customized jewelry and other gift items. Before I start up, I would like to thank my She Connect family. Thank you so much. That is a best woman club in Delhi, and I would like to thank especially to Anju ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much ma'am for your motivation, for your support, because of which I am here today. Thank you so much ma'am. Okay, this is my first time for the live session, as I'm not so much friendly to the Facebook live thing, so I would not able to answer all the comments just now, so I'll be answering and replying after the session, so please bear with me. Now, just to give you a glimpse of my collection, I have kept some of my, some of my things and my products over here. So, firstly, I would like to start up with the customized items I have. When I say about customized items, it is all about the stationery for kids. It is all about the gifts, presents which are used for festivals, birthday favors, weddings. As nowadays, personalization and customization is very, is very in trend. Everyone wish of giving, or feel special after getting or giving a personalized gift to some or the other one. So I'll show you some of the items I have available with me just now. We make cushions. These are the personalized cushions. It can be done in any color, any particular shape, any theme. For boy, for girl, for newlyweds, whatever. It can be done in alphabets also. Apart from the cushions, we have many variety of cushions, sequins, magical cushions, we have velvet cushions, we have LED cushions and all. Then when we talk about the stationery, we have the bags. This is a sequence bag. As new session is starting up, it is a backpack. I'll show you. It is a sequence backpack like this. We also have a duffel bags which are in trend nowadays, and kids love them a lot. It can be again done in many themes and many colors according to girl, boy. You can see the name is mentioned here. We can write any corporate name or anything. It has 2 different pockets and it is very spacious. Kids love them. We also make that hair brushes for kids, for adults, with any theme. I hope you can see these. We have pencil box. Again, these are customized. It can be done in any themes. We have colors, we have pencils, we do have mugs. This is not a normal mug. This is a steel mug. Again, you can see it is done a printing and a message is there for our mom to be. And yes, one more thing which is very interesting. This is a coffee. This is a Starbucks coffee cappuccino. We have given the name Lovccino with a photograph of a couple. The people would really love it. We can also do, printing on any lace, any chips, any wafers or anything. This was Uncle Chips. We have printed a photo over here. And a name is given, Love Chips. This is something which is really interesting and really new. As it's a Father's Day, we also have many options. Name frames can be done, cutouts can be done. We also have trophies. This is done in the acrylic. It can be done on MDF. It can be in any shape, anything you say, it can be done. And these our gift items are very pocket friendly. Can be done according to the client, the size, the themes, the colors. So this was the few products from my customized giftings and stationery. Now coming on to my jewelry part. That is again my own production, which I am doing with one of my cousins. We have a proper setup at Greater Noida. So I'll show you few of my jewelries, which can be done. Firstly, we are specialized in Kundan jewelries, shell pearls, crystal pearls, different jades, different colors of jades. It can be done according to you. When we talk about Kundans are of many varieties, I'll show you few examples. This is a Kundan earring. This is a cheap Kundan because it doesn't have a meenakari at the back. You can see, I hope you can see. There is no meenakari at the back. So this is a normal Kundan. It's just a crystal and a pasting of Kundan stone. That's it. So it's a normal Kundan, which is not of good quality. And when you say of good quality and high quality Kundan, that has a meenakari at the back. I hope you can see that. This is a difference between the Kundan jewelries. So we have different variety of Kundan jewelry. I would like to show you my very nice collection, which I personally love it. This is a Rani Har. I hope you can see. This is a pendant with proper meenakari at the back. The beads are shell pearls, white color. You can take any color you like, anything, any color, any shape of a pendant. These are the beautiful light-weighted earrings. You can wear it with the set or just like that. It looks very pretty. It gives you a very rich look. once you wear it. Then this is again a kundan, but not exactly kundan. This is AD kundan, because it doesn't have the meenakari at the back. It is a choker, AD kundan choker, with small, beautiful, cute little earrings. Again, it can be done in any color, green, red can be go with any color. Then we have this again. This is again a choker with multicolored jades. Also, when we come to jewelry, we make gota jewelry as well for baby showers, for weddings. Like, it is very trendy nowadays. When you talk about marriage, on haldi functions, on any other occasions, mehndi functions, people love sisters or bhabis, they love wearing gota jewelry. When you talk about mang tikas, jhumkis, bangles, people are really crazy about it. So these are the gota jhumkis. I hope you can see. These are beautiful gota jhumkis. I made for the I have made this for the mom to be on her baby shower. These are the beautiful kadas, bangles. It can be done in any sizes. Again, these are the gota jewelry. Can be done in any color according to the preference. We have also made this pile with the thread for on the baby shower. It can be for the gifting as favors, baby shower favors to the friends or families coming up to attend your functions, haldis and all. So anything and everything can be done according to your taste, according to your budget, according to the color preference, everything. Any jewelry, it is very much pocket friendly. If you have any designs, you can give it to us. We'll do it accordingly as well. Yes, one more. I have one of my favorite again. This is with ruby. This is a AD pendant. It really looks very elegant when you wear it with the sari, with suits. It looks very pretty. I hope you can see. These are the long earrings. If you don't want to wear anything on your neck, you can wear heavy jhumkis. They also look very pretty. If you wear so much heavy earrings, there's no need of wearing anything in your neck. So girls or people prefer just wearing earrings also. These are my antique earrings collection with the beads. Any color, anything can be done again. So this is all about my jewelry. And the best part is, jewelry is my own production. If any problem, anything you face, it can be, we can help you out. It can be changed. It can be, remade. It can be replaced, or again the pasting and all can be done. So this was all about my jewelry. If you want to go and visit, you can. We have a setup with my cousin there at Greater Noida. She's taking care of. I have a small baby, so it is not possible for me to go there every time. Okay, now my again, which is soaps. As due to coronavirus and other things, people are very much are afraid now कि हमें we will not use anything from China, and that मतलब we'll take everything local और हमारे खुद के सामने बना होना चाहिए. There should not be any chemicals, so that it is safe for our kids. People are more worried about their kids. And when we talk about skin, people are more and more careful when we talk about our skin, because skin is something which we really have to take care of, because everybody has a different skin types. Some have oily skin, acne prone, are there, some are allergic to something or the other, like that. So we do the customization of handmade soaps as well, according to your skin types, according to your preference, your problems. It can be done. If you have blemishes, if you have pimples, if you have very oily skin, very dry skin, if you want something for your small little baby, we make it. Because all my soaps are SLS and paraben free. We use proper original raw things like turmeric. I use aloe vera pulp. I use orange pulp. I use goat milk. We properly take care of these things because I also have a small baby, and he's also using these same soaps. Even I use the same soap. So it is totally free from all the chemicals and harsh preservatives. I'll show you few of my soaps. This is a soap. This is a toy soap which kid loves. This is again a soap with the eraser. After the soap is finished, the eraser can be used. This is an eraser in the shape of kiwi. This is very cute little cupcake soap with the loafer on it. This is loafer, and here it is a soap. It can be done in any color, any flavor, any fragrance. We also make soaps and hampers for baby showers. I hope you can see this. This is pink color for baby girl. This is blue for baby boy. These are the hampers we make. This is unicorn. This is fruit soap. It can be done in any shape. Again, it has chunks. I hope you can see. It has fruit chunks in it. This is my sugar scrub, coffee flavored scrub. We have used proper brown sugar, white sugar, walnut grains, shea butter, coconut oil, and this is very good for dry skin. I have seen many of my friends, my relatives, my clients, they say although I use moisturizers and everything, but still my skin is very dry. So how to go about it? I have tried many medicines. I have taken proper, skincare treatments, but no response. And I have not felt any, I cannot see any change or something. So I recommend them. You must try this, my sugar scrub. I'm very much sure you will really see the change. You will really see the difference in your skin. Because this is all natural. This is all homemade. It is all made according to your skin types. And the granules are very thick. That really helps your skin and makes your body shine. So okay, we also make different kinds of bath salts, bath bombs and all. As of now, they are not present with me. Because of I was short of time and I have a baby. I was not well, so I was unable to make so many of things. I make things according to the order, so that I make the things and I dispatch. Clients should get them, all fresh and all packed properly on very neat, so that they are fully satisfied and happy. One more thing I would like to tell you. The reason why I have chosen a tagline, you name it, we make it. Because whatever you say, whatever you think of, we make it. You just tell us, we'll make according to it. Whether it's soaps, whether it is jewelry, whether it is your customized gifts, whether it is stationery for your kids, anything and everything. My main motive is customer satisfaction. Not only this customer satisfaction, but yes, to build up a relationship which works, for a long period of time. I don't like working for just one or two, times. I love working with you. I love sending you my products for a long period of time, and I'm sure once you will use my products, or once you will just buy a product from me, you will be mine forever. And that is the reason I have chosen a tagline, you name it, we make it. Whatever you say, we'll make it for you. Being it stationery, being it's customized gifts, like for wedding also. We also make chocolates for wedding orders, Diwalis, and other celebrations, birthday favors. We also do same with the I do same with the soaps. So this is all about my products. Now coming on to myself, I would also like to tell you all, which I don't think many of you people are aware of. I am also a teacher, and I am working with Melody's Kessel, and I would really like to thank my mentor, my big ma'am, Mrs. Meenakshi Pasricha, as well, for giving me much more confidence, for building up much more confidence in me. Because of me, I am quite confident now. And yes, of course, Anju ma'am also for supporting me. Because of her encouragement, because of her motivation, I am here today, and I am doing this live session. Otherwise, I was not willing to do this. I was quite nervous. After telling her I'll be doing, I was nervous. I was thinking what to do. But they are the ones who have motivated me, and I'm really thankful to them. We also have our Facebook page, which is by the name of RS Creators. I also have my Insta page, which is by the name of RS_Creators. You can also get connected to me on WhatsApp. My number is 9654876853. I repeat, 9654876853. For anything and everything, you can contact me if you like my products. Now I would like to wind up quite early because I have a small baby, and he's not well, so he's crying. I need to go to him. I'm really sorry. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and really sorry, please bear with me that I'm winding up my session little early. And I was not so much friendly, as I told you earlier, with the live sessions on Facebook. This was my first time. I would be answering all your comments after these sessions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you. I love you all for sparing your valuable time for me, for supporting me, for being here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Love you all. Bye-bye.